Hello everyone. Today we'll discuss by what do you mean by an advocate on record. Advocate on record is an advocate who has cleared the AOR and is entitled under the Order 4 of the Supreme Court Rules 2013, framed under Article 145 of the Constitution, to act as well as to plead for a party in the Supreme Court of India. For appointment of advocates on record, Supreme Court of India has issued Rule 2, 4 and 6 of Supreme Court Rules 1966. As per the rules also, no advocate other than an advocate on record shall be entitled to file an appearance or act for any party in the Supreme Court of India. No advocate rather than an advocate on record can appear and plead in any matter unless he is instructed by an advocate on record. An advocate can be registered as an advocate on record if he qualifies the requirements as laid down by the Supreme Court in the Supreme Court of India rules. Now, what is the eligibility criteria? If an advocate wants to practice as an advocate on record in the Supreme Court, he or she needs to have the following qualifications. First, advocate must have a practice for 5 years as an advocate and thereafter has to intimate to the Supreme Court that he or she has started taking training with a senior advocate on record because he or she intends to become an advocate on record. After the expiry of 1 year's training, the advocate has to appear for an examination conducted by the Supreme Court itself. After an advocate passes this examination, he or she must have a registered office within a radius of 10 miles from the Supreme Court building and a registered clerk. It is after that the chamber judge of the Supreme Court accepts him as an advocate on record. Now you would wonder what is the significance of advocate on record examination. Practicing at the top court requires certain expertise. Therefore, having a concrete standard of court craft and litigation practice is a must. This standard is ensured by the advocate on record examination. Taking the AOR exam and conquering it is not a very easy process. There was this report in 2012 which said only 18% of the advocates, that is the test takers that take this exam, pass the AOR examination.